This is your Kunifa Asia President, Ruby Ann Kagawan. We are in Walton on Thames at the Elbridge Excel Sports Hub, basking in a wonderful summer day. This week, we will witness three incredible Kunifa Asia Football Associations battle it out for the title of Champions of the Kunifa Asia Cup London. They are Tamil Elam FA, Tibetan NSA, and East Turkestan FA. Together, they represent a total of 35 diaspora communities spread across 4 continents. Kunifa Asia has entrusted the formidable task of hosting the Kunifa Asia Cup London to the historic first Kunifa Asia Cup champions, the Tamil Elam FA, who won the title in 2023 in Montijo, Portugal, as they competed against Team Tibet and Humon Football Federation. Today, in the opening ceremony, we are launching the original Kunifa Asia Cup anthem, titled Ahon, composed by a brilliant young Filipino musician, Boston-based Jaira Calo. Ahon is a Filipino word that means to emerge from, to rise out of. And true enough, Kunifa provides a platform for footballers of diaspora, refugee, and migrant communities, stateless and sport-isolated nations, and minorities who cannot compete in traditional sports structures, the opportunity to emerge from the shadows, rise above the barriers, compete internationally, and be watched and discovered by the world. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's give a thundering round of applause for the men's teams of Tamil Elam FA, Tibetan NSA, and East Turkestan FA. And let the games begin.
Okay. And then you can bring in it.
And I'll punish you.
Oh,
I'll punish you.
yeah. Push this down. And then
And
side.
record this.
No, already recorded.
Yeah.
Your button is there. This is not working. No,
Nope.
flag pulled up. Get a flag racing. You okay? Just over there.
사무겨보래.
I think that, yeah. Keep framing everything.
야, 담을 가지 그냥.
You see the timing. When it finishes, press again the red button.
Yeah.
And then it's
Red button.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
It runs 30 minutes.
Each time.
And then it finishes.
The blue one.
Hold there, they will move. If you hold there, they will come. It's okay. Just hold there, and they will come. See? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a full zoom.
Asia Cup 2025. First, we'll start off with the lighting of the sacrificial lamb.
Next will be the flag raising ceremony. இப்பொழுது கொடியேற்றம் நிகழ்வு. The United Kingdom flag will be raised by Charlie. The Commonwealth flag will be raised by Rajesh. The Tibetan flag will be raised by Shamsu.
대기로.
The East Pakistan flag will be raised by Kilza.
We would like to call you to observe a moment of silence. Let us remember the heroes who sacrificed their lives in the struggle for liberation of our homeland. Let us remember the patriots and civilians who were murdered. Could we all please stand for this? Thank you. Please take your seats.
Next, we ask all the teams to return to their stands. The opening performances will now occur.
dance performances of Tongue Rhythm will now begin. Please sit back and enjoy.
புரட்சி இயக்கத்தின் வேண்டிய குறிக்கோளா சமம் நம்மை தன்னாட்சி தமிழ் அமுதலைக்காக எனது உள்ளம் உயிர் உடல் அனைத்தையும் மீது உறுதியாக போராடுவேன் என்றும் எமது தலைவர் மேலது மேகப்புள்ளை பிரபாகரன் அவர்களின் வழிநடத்தலை உணவான
of the opening ceremony performance of Team Tibet.
아, 그거 진짜 배려. 씨.
So, actually, I'm not interested.
Now we welcome the opening ceremony of Team Tibet.
This one,
어.
now the sun is cold.
어.
Okay.
아. Ryan's mouse.
When it's 100, that is good quality.
아.
If you increase that, it brings more light, but the quality
Increase.
is increase more noise.
Yeah, anyways. 빨리.
That's landed.
아, 네.
celebrating with us the beautiful cultures of Tamil, Tibet, and East Pakistan. Now, let us hear the welcome remarks of the leaders of Tamil FA, Tibestan NSA, East Pakistan FA, starting with Ravi, the Executive Director of the Khalifa Asia Cup 2023 Champions and Khalifa Asia Cup 2025 hosts, Tamil Football Association.
Time for two now in the province.
Are you sure? Yes, correct.
아, 예.
네.
가겠습니다. 곤도 파이더, 트레이닝 파이시기도. 제자
Good
곤도
evening,
파이더.
everyone. I see a lot of fans coming to promote the voting of the weekend of 2025. So this year, Tibet is participating in the political Asian Cup, and our team consists of players from North America, Europe, UK, and Canada. So all the boys are young and energetic. Some of them are 7 pro, and most of our players are but it's still a good spot. And we would like to thank Khalifa Asia for letting us participate in this tournament. And I would especially thank Tamil FA for hosting such a beautiful tournament in the actual Olympic water team. And I would like to thank Ravi, Shankari, Gopi, and all the people working behind the scenes to make this event successful and possible. So thank you everyone, and we would like each and everyone to keep supporting us. And we're going to play the hockey match today, and tomorrow Tamil, Ilam, and East Pakistan will play, and on the Thursday, East Pakistan versus Tibet. I think that's one of the biggest games of the tournament. East Pakistan playing against Tibet. So it's going to send a big message to country which we both are serving under right now. So thank you so much. Now, for the last country, on the welcome,
Now, we'd like to call upon Elsha Islam for his welcoming remarks.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends, and fellow athletics, Assalamu alaikum and warm greeting from East Turkestan. Today is not just a game, it's not just game day. It is a historical day. For the first time ever, East Turkestan stepped onto the international stage for sports. This moment is more than symbolic. It is a powerful statement that our identity, our culture, and our people are alive, proud, and present. We are deeply honored to stand here under the Khalifa banner, a space that champions unrecognized nations, displaced people, and forgotten communities. Our dear host, Hamid Ilam, thank you. Your strength and hospitality show what united and dignity looks like in action. To all participating teams, we are not just commentators, we are storytellers. Each match, we play, write a new chapter for our
Are you
people.
okay to film or?
We come in peace, in pride, and in hope.
아, 네네.
We may come from different lands, but we share the same dream. To be seen, to be heard, and to be respected.
Yeah, of course.
Let this tournament be a celebration of who we are and who we can become together. May the game be fair
and full of the heart. Yarışsın Şarkıristan, parlasın Akyol'da Okey Bayramınız. Thank you very much. Şükür for Paris Kasri Nanda Shubha.